Hi friends, good morning and welcome to all. I am Maruti B. Gowda, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Srimati Indira Gandhi Government First Year Women's College, Sagar. Today I am going to present my PPT on the topic of Bapsi Sidhwa. This topic is prescribed for BA First Year optional students under Coimbatore University, Shimoga. This is my seventh session. As far as concerned to the BA first year optional students under Coimbatore University, Shimoga, this is the 37th session. Recap of previous class. Friends, in our last class, we have studied about Saharabai, that is Introduction to Saharabai, in which we studied about love, hate, and inclination of Saharabai. In this slide, a lesson overview. Friends, this topic is to help the students to learn different expressions of pain, relationship, emotions, and social hierarchies practiced in the society. Objectives of the chapter. In this topic, there are many aspects. Let us know one by one. First one, life of Bapsi Sidhwa. Second one, the credentials of Bapsi Sidhwa. Third one, publications of Bapsi Sidhwa. Uh, Next one, themes of her works. Last one is awards and achievements. Okay, let us study in detail one by one. First one is life of Bapsi Sidhwa. Bapsi Sidhwa was born on August 11, 1938 in Karachi. She belonged to the Parsi and Zoroastrian community. She is a distinctive minority who left Iran for South Asia to avoid the religious persecution. She was a polio victim at the age of 2. That's why she was educated at home till the age of 15 by an Anglo-Indian lady. She was married at the age of 19 with a Bombay businessman and got divorced. Later, she got married to a businessman of Lahore. Afterwards, she graduated from Kinnair College located in Lahore. She is a she is a Pakistani American novelist, short story writer, and Indo-Canadian filmmaker. Credentials of Bapsi Sidhwa. And she was an active social worker with a great concern for the women around. Part of women's delegation to Iran and Turkey in 1970. Volunteer for many social work organizations. She worked as a volunteer in many social work organizations. Bapsi Sidhwa started writing Bapsi Sidhwa started her writing in 1970 when she was inspired by the story of girl who ran away from her home and was killed by her husband in the Hindu Kush mountains. This story was published in the form of her second novel, The Bride. She was teaching at the University of Texas, Houston. Let us go to the next slide. So here we are knowing about the publications of Bapsi Sidhwa. As we have known about her, she was a novelist, short story writer, filmmaker, etc. As far as concerned to her novels, let us know some of them. Um, the Co-Eaters, which appeared in 1978. The Pakistani Bride appeared in 1983. Uh, the Ice Candy Man, published in 1988. The American Broth and War, published in 1993. Uh, she gave or she wrote many short stories in addition with novels. Let us know some of them. Their Language of Love, India Today, Gilligan Wright, Jungle Wala Sahib, The Crow Eaters, Babsi Sidhwa Omnibus, Breaking It Up, The Trouble Easers, etc. are her important short stories. Theme of her works. Let us know about the theme of her writings. Let us know one by one. First one is theme of partition. Next one, theme of dislocation and disintegration. Dilemma of the Parsi community. Theme of feminism, women as victims and savers. Constancy of desire and its lack of moral legitimacy. The eternal conflict of moral good and evil in the human psyche. A theme of communal discard. And last one is naturality. These were the theme of her writings. Uh, uh, as a writer, Bapsi Sidhwa gave a great contribution to the history of Indian English literature. So, due to that, but by her contribution, she got many awards for her achievements. Let us know a few of them. The Patras Bokhari Award for The Bride came to her in 1985. The Sitara-e-Imtiaz in 1991. The German Literature Award for Cracking India. A Bunting Fellowship from Harvard. The novel Ice Candy Man has been turned into a film called Earth 1997. Let us go to another slide. Here we are studying about the narrative technique and style of her writings. Bapsi Sidhwa's style is extremely visual, which gives color and mood to her narratives. Her writing is serious without turning somber, playful without regressing into past. Sidhwa recreates a lost world in her stories and the plots flow with liquid ease. Bapsi wanted to show the narration free of ethnic and religious bias. So she adapts a child's truth infected tongue, which also creates a space for idyllic romances. Bapsi Sidhwa's purpose was to provide a scope for objectivity, unbiasedness, and to avoid an year of propaganda. So, this is the life and literary career of Bapsi Sidhwa. Friends, in this slide, we are knowing about the learning outcome of this topic. Friends, this topic is to enable students to learn and express their creative talents through reading women writers and their various short stories. Friends, at the end of the topic, we have many multiple choice questions. Let us know one by one. Question number one. Bapsi Sidhwa was born on August 11, 1938 in blank. So you have to fill up the blank with suitable answer. Here there are four options. Option A, Punjab. Option B, Lahore. Option C, Karachi. Option D, Mumbai. You have to select the right answer for that question. Okay, the right answer is C. Bapsi Sidhwa was born on August 11, 1938 in Karachi. Let us go to the question number 2. Which one of the following is not Bapsi Sidhwa? Here also there are four options. Option A, novelist. Option B, short story writer. Option C, filmmaker. And option D, painter. The right answer is D. Painter is the right answer for this question. Let us go to the question number 3. Which one of the following works is not written by Bapsi Sidhwa? Well, there are four options. Option A, the crow eaters. Option B, the Pakistani bride. Option C, the ice candy man. Option D, train to Pakistan. The right answer is train to Pakistan. Let us come to the question number 4. Which one of the following short stories is not written by Bakshi Sidhwa? Here also there are four options. Option A, their language of love. Option B, breaking it up. Option C, the trouble is ours. Option D, death of a child. The right answer is D. Death of a child is the right answer for this question. Okay, friends, let us come to the last question. That is question number 5. Which one of the following is not the theme of Bakshi Sidhwa's works? Here also there are four options. Option A, theme of Option A, theme of partisan. Option B, theme of feminism. Option C, theme of caste. Option D, theme of communal discard. The right answer is C. Theme of caste is the right answer. Friends, we have studied about the life and literary career of Bakshi Sidhwa in detail. Friends, if you want more information or more source as far as concerned to this topic, better to follow these references. Okay, friends, I am going to end this session. Let us meet again in our next session. Thank you one and all.